gracias. So, here, we're not going outside. We're sitting on steps. Noise. Here, hold my tablet, but don't start the video. Oh, you have two of the same tablets. One is me, one is you, It's cute. Whatever, it's cute. Come on.
This one is yours.
This one is mine.
Because you just started it. Okay, well, we're outside and it looks all... Look at the weather.
Okay, so we're sitting on steps.
Do you want to go at the end of the block to go run around?
I want to go look at the sky. It's like nothing.
It looks like a play sky.
I wonder if there's like. Oh yeah, you guys should sign up for Rated Club. It's a club where you have toys. You get to go on iPads and make YouTube videos.
And musicals. Oh, say,
And
well,
post them.
let's go outside, go run around. Peace. So the giveaway is going to Haley. It's over. Then I can show you all my house. That's my friend's living house. Second house, I don't know those people, but nobody don't work there. I don't know those people either. There he is. There he is. Emily's. I already showed you the house on the second video, didn't I? Okay, this is. She's way over there. Can you see her? Run! I made you halfway.
Videos, right?
Yeah.
How are they?
Fun.
I'm coming in yours.
Look.
Hi, I'm making a YouTube video too. You guys are gonna be in it. Like, hi.
Okay, let's go. I show.
We're friends, even though we have like YouTube videos. We're the Team 10 house. Just kidding, not Jake Paul's house.
Well, we're gonna go
We'll
on
be
the.
the team. Oh wait, there is Memphis, Jaden, me, Raider, Drayton.
Well, we're just looking for a walk. Then we're going to over here.
So I want to go count the birds. Bye, see you on the other side.
See you on the other side too, boy. Bye, boy. So we're gonna go for the other side up to my house. Then look at him, boy. Dan is walking to my house. Her house. So we're gonna go for a walk. They're like a while I didn't make videos. Well, I was just sitting on this rain. I don't know why I'm going for outside for my tablet, my phone, or my tablet, but look how far she now. So she's gonna meet me at the other side. That's it. It's raining so hard. Everybody get home. My feet are frozen, and she's way over there. So, on the other side, and just can across the road. She's over there. So there. Long. Okay. Oh, it's so cold. Fine. Raining. Here, guys, go inside.
Annabelle, Memphis, Drayton, Janelle, Jaden, Raiden,
Okay, well,
Brody, Annabelle.
I'm back. I'm fine. Not running or nothing.
Too wet.
Straight in.
Cold.
Okay. Okay, go inside now.
We're the Team 8 house.
So, okay, go inside. Cold. I'm cold.
To charge mine.
How far is it?
It says
Okay.